Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the Vivo Y16. Make sure battery is above 20% and cellular data is available so the hotspot can start. Once done, unlock the phone and open settings without navigating elsewhere. This prevents losing focus. Now tap Network and Internet or Personal Hotspot. Labels vary by firmware. You're starting the hotspot configuration flow directly. This gets you to the hotspot options quickly, so you can change the password securely and avoid accident. Next, select Portable or Personal Hotspot inside the Network menu to access details. Once the hotspot panel opens, tap Configure Hotspot or Hotspot Settings to reveal the current SSID and password fields. This is where you make changes. Enter a new password that's at least 8 characters long and combines letters, numbers, and a symbol so it remains strong. Make sure to type carefully. Mismatched characters are the most common source of connection issues when others try to join. After entering the new password, save settings and toggle the hotspot off then on to ensure the changed credentials take effect. Once the hotspot restarts, reconnect a client device using the updated password to test access. This confirms success immediately. If a device fails to connect, make sure you're using the correct SSID and password. Check whether the hotspot uses 4 GHz or 5 GHz band, and restart the Vivo Y16. That single-step restart fixes most lingering problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.